I think we have a sick bird, or looks like a cowbird from here. Yeah, he's hurt or sick, or he would have flown by now. Oh, he's all of a sudden jumped up, started running. You okay, buddy? You okay, dude? Man, there's cats around here. You better... Maybe he's just taking a break and eating some food. I don't know how I walked up on him. It's a cowbird, though. Could be a young'un. You okay, little dude? Well, he's eating. Sick birds don't usually eat, but he would have flown. I haven't seen him flown. He might have a broken wing. Yeah, something ain't right. He would have flown away by now. Can you fly? Okay. Good enough. Flew up in the tree. Well, all right then. He's just a little baby or something. Leave him alone.